Castor oil is made from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant and is well known for its many uses in daily life. This plant is originally from eastern parts of the world, with India being the top producer. Isn't it interesting that the seeds of this plant can hold up to 30 to 50% oil? To get the oil, the seeds are cold pressed, which means they're squeezed to release the oil without using heat. This can also be done using mechanical pressing, solvent extraction, or sometimes a mix of both methods. Have you ever used castor oil for any home remedies or beauty treatments? If not, then today you will learn about 12 powerful reasons why you should use castor oil before bed. Number 1. Natural sleep helper. A good and healthy sleep is all a person needs at the end of a tiring day. But are you one of those people who can't sleep at night even after having a tiring day? Or maybe your stress and anxiety don't let you have a good night's sleep. Try castor oil. It works as a natural sleep helper and improves the quality of your sleep. How does this oil do that? Well, castor oil is abundant in fatty acids, particularly ricinoleic acid. This acid possesses anti-inflammatory properties and plays an important role in prostaglandin production. These hormone-like compounds control various physiological processes, including sleep. Massaging castor oil onto areas like the abdomen, lower back, and joints effectively improves your sleep. They relax muscles, ease tension, and enhance blood circulation to the skin and underlying tissues. This relaxation effect creates a sense of calmness and ease before bedtime and makes it easier to fall asleep. Number 2. Promotes healthy hair growth. Are you also suffering from hair loss and dreaming of thicker, longer hair? Don't worry. Castor oil is a solution to your problem. It's because of its key nutrients, such as vitamin E, minerals, and omega-6 fatty acids. These nutrients nourish the scalp and hair follicles, making hair stronger and healthier from the roots. Also, castor oil wakes up sleeping hair follicles and promotes new hair growth. This is especially helpful for people with thin hair or hair loss caused by aging, hormones, or stress. Regular application of castor oil strengthens the hair shaft and reduces the risk of breakage and split ends. Healthier hair is less likely to get damaged and holds onto its length better. Do you know scalp inflammation also causes hair loss? Scalp inflammation disturbs the hair growth cycle and results in hair loss. Castor oil is composed of ricinoleic acid, which can soothe irritation and reduce inflammation. It helps create an ideal environment for healthy hair growth by soothing the scalp. Number 3. Moisturizes dry skin. Another advantage of castor oil is its humectant nature. This means it attracts moisture from the air and locks it into the skin. It forms a protective barrier on the skin's surface that prevents moisture loss by sealing in hydration. This makes it suitable for resisting dryness in harsh weather or low humidity environments. Regular application of castor oil also restores the skin's natural moisture balance and relieves itching, flakiness, and irritation associated with dryness. It is also best for almost all skin types, including sensitive skin. Its mild nature also makes it suitable for sensitive body areas like the face and around the eyes. However, it's always advisable to perform a patch test before using any new skincare product, especially if you have sensitive skin or allergies. Castor oil can be used directly or mixed with other natural ingredients to make personalized skincare products such as moisturizers, balms, and lotions. Number 4. Relieves constipation. Castor oil is also recognized as a natural remedy for relieving constipation. How? Castor oil is a stimulant laxative because, again, it contains ricinoleic acid. This fatty acid causes bowel movements by acting directly on the intestines. It activates receptors in the intestine's smooth muscle cells, making them contract rhythmically and push stool through the digestive system. This stimulation accelerates the movement of feces, leading to more frequent bowel movements. Castor oil also promotes fluid secretion into the intestines, softening and lubricating stool. This makes it easier for the stool to pass through the colon, reducing constipation and straining during bowel movements. A benefit of using castor oil as a laxative is that it works relatively quickly. Usually, it produces results within 2 to 6 hours after ingestion. However, The exact timing can vary from person to person depending on factors such as metabolism and dose. Another benefit of castor oil is that it is not habit-forming when used occasionally for constipation relief. While some laxatives cause dependency if used for a long time, castor oil does not make the bowel rely on it for regular bowel movements. Number 5. Reduces joint pain. If you suffer from joint pain or arthritis, castor oil can be your new best friend. It penetrates deep into the skin and underlying tissues, reaching the joints and surrounding structures. This deep penetration allows the oil to exert analgesic effects directly at the site of pain, providing targeted relief to the affected area. Also, heated castor oil creates a warming sensation on the skin, similar to heat therapy. This warmth improves blood circulation to the joints, relaxes tense muscles, and eases stiffness. Enhanced blood flow facilitates the delivery of oxygen and nutrients to the affected tissues, supporting the body's natural healing process. Castor oil is also a natural lubricant. It reduces joint friction and irritation and improves joint mobility and flexibility. This makes movement more comfortable and less painful, especially for people with osteoarthritis or degenerative joint disease. Number 6. Enhances eyelash and eyebrow growth. Who doesn't want long and fluffy eyelashes without going to the spa for lash extensions? Women love to have long, fuller lashes, and castor oil can help with that too. Castor oil is recommended for fuller eyelashes and eyebrows because its thick consistency makes it a natural moisturizer, deeply hydrating the lashes and brows. Castor oil prevents dryness and brittleness by moisturizing hair follicles and the surrounding skin, which causes breakage and slow growth. Also, its moisturizing properties reduce hair breakage and loss, supporting fuller growth. Well-hydrated lashes and brows are stronger and less likely to get damaged. Castor oil also contains antimicrobial properties, which prevent bacterial and fungal infections on the skin's surface. By keeping the lash and brow area clean and free from infections, it creates an optimal environment for healthy hair growth. Applying castor oil to the lashes and brows is simple and convenient. You can use a clean mascara wand or a cotton swab and rub it over your lashes after your skincare routine or before going to bed. The oil is gentle and non-irritating, making it suitable for regular use. Number 7. Treats fungal infections. Hold on, that's not the end. Another advantage castor oil provides is treating fungal infections. Castor oil contains many compounds, including undeoxylenic acid, which exhibits antifungal activity and creates an unfavorable environment for fungal growth. These compounds work by decomposing the cell membranes of fungi, ceasing their growth and replication. It helps to reduce symptoms such as itching, redness, and inflammation associated with fungal infections. Continuous castor oil used gradually eradicates the fungal infection and restores healthy skin or nails. Besides its antifungal properties, castor oil acts as a moisturizer and emollient. It hydrates the skin and relieves dryness and irritation caused by fungal infections. Castor oil helps reduce discomfort and promotes healing by soothing the affected area. Its thick texture forms a protective layer on the skin, preventing more irritation and easing itching and burning. Applying castor oil to affected areas can help treat fungal infections like athlete's foot, ringworm, and toenail fungus. Apply it before bed and let it work its magic overnight for effective relief. Number 8. Soothes muscle soreness. After a long day or a tough workout, relief from muscle soreness and tension becomes necessary. Castor oil has mild muscle relaxing properties, which ease sore muscles' tension and stiffness. Massaging castor oil on sore muscles helps them relax, releasing tension and restoring flexibility. This relieves muscle cramps, spasms, and knots. Dry muscles are more open to soreness and stiffness. Castor oil maintains muscle elasticity and suppleness by hydrating them and reduce the risk of discomfort and injury during physical activity. Heated oil relaxes muscles and increases the blood flow to the affected area, promoting faster healing and recovery. It also provides immediate relief from soreness and discomfort, making it a popular choice for post-exercise muscle care. Using castor oil on sore muscles is easy. Massage it onto your skin with gentle circular motions or mix it with soothing ingredients like beneficial oils or warming herbs for extra relief. Number 9. Prevents wrinkles. Nobody wants to look older than they are. Wrinkles often give the impression of aging, regardless of actual age. Everyone wants to look young and find ways to prevent and reduce wrinkles. Castor oil also holds anti-aging properties. Collagen is a protein that provides structure and elasticity to the skin. As we age, collagen production decreases, which causes the formation of wrinkles and sagging skin. Castor oil contains nutrients such as vitamin E and omega-6 fatty acids, which stimulate collagen production when applied topically. Increased collagen levels maintain the skin's firmness and elasticity, reduce the appearance of wrinkles, and promote a more youthful complexion. Regular application of castor oil can make your skin's texture smooth and soft and reduces the visibility of fine lines and wrinkles. Apply it around your eyes and other wrinkle-prone areas for youthful skin. Number 10. Reducing inflammation or swelling. The list does not end here. Another renowned property of castor oil is it is a natural anti-inflammatory. The main active component of castor oil, responsible for its anti-inflammatory effects, is ricinoleic acid. Ricinoleic acid is a unique fatty acid found exclusively in castor oil, comprising approximately 90% of its composition. This fatty acid makes castor oil an effective natural remedy for reducing swelling in many body parts. Inflammation is often accompanied by pain, discomfort, and stiffness. Castor oil reduces inflammation, easing symptoms like arthritis, muscle strains, joint pain, and skin irritations. Number 11. Treats acne and blemishes. Acne, a huge problem that almost all of us face at least once in our lives. If you have very dry skin that's causing you acne, or your dark spots aren't going away even after months, what should you do? It's simple. Use castor oil before bed because it can help you with both acne marks and blemishes. As we discussed, castor oil has strong antibacterial properties. When applied to the skin, it fights acne-causing bacteria such as Propionibacterium acnes. By hindering bacterial growth, castor oil reduces the risk of developing new breakouts and gives you clearer skin. Also, one of the major causes of acne is clogged pores with excess sebum, dead skin cells, and bacteria. Castor oil is a natural ointment that penetrates deep into the pores and dissolves impurities. It unclogs the pores and prevents the formation of new blemishes, making your skin clearer and healthier looking. All you have to do is apply a thin layer over your face twice a day. Number 12. Strengthens immune function. Last but not least, castor oil also strengthens your immune system. It contains many important nutrients for immune health, including vitamin E, omega-6 fatty acids, and minerals such as zinc and magnesium. These nutrients support immune functions, such as antioxidant defense, cell signaling, and immune cell production. Although castor oil doesn't contain many nutrients, using it regularly as part of a healthy lifestyle supports your overall immune health. Chronic stress also weakens the immune system and increases susceptibility to infections. Castor oil is used in aromatherapy and massage for its relaxing properties. Castor oil indirectly helps your immune system by calming you down and lowering stress. This counteracts the harmful effects of long-term stress on your body. A balanced mix of gut bacteria is important for a strong immune system. Castor oil is traditionally used as a laxative to promote bowel movements and relieve constipation. It supports regular bowel movements and promotes a healthy gut environment. And these are the 12 great reasons you should use castor oil before bed. It works wonders and it is affordable. So why not make it a part of your daily bedtime routine? But if you are pregnant or have any other medical condition, better consult your doctor before using it. Give castor oil a try tonight and start experiencing its amazing benefits. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips and tricks. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family so they can also benefit from the wonderful properties of castor oil. Till then, stay hydrated and stay healthy.